Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to cancel a domain and get a refund from Godaddy. If you've recently purchased a domain and changed your mind, the good news is that Godaddy does offer refunds, but only under specific conditions. Understanding the refund policy first is important because not all domain purchases are eligible for a refund, depending on timing and domain type. Before you take any action, it's important to understand the refund policy on Godaddy. Godaddy typically allows refunds for domain registrations within a limited time window, usually standard domains eligible for refund within 48 hours of registration. Some domains may have different policies depending on their type or extension. Renewals may also be refundable, but only within a short period after renewal. Now that you understand the policy, the next step is to cancel or delete the domain from your account. Start by logging into your account on Godaddy and go to your My Products section. Locate the domain you want to cancel, then click on it to open its management page. From there, scroll down until you find the Registration Settings section. This is where you manage ownership and domain status. Inside Registration Settings, look for options related to Delete Domain. Before proceeding, Godaddy may show warnings about what happens when you delete a domain, including loss of ownership and services tied to it. Confirm the deletion by following the prompts. Once completed, the domain will be removed from your account. However, and this is important, deleting the domain does not automatically process your refund. To actually get your money back, you'll need to contact Godaddy support. Now go to the Help Center within Godaddy. From there, you can start a live chat, request a callback, submit a support request. Explain that you've canceled your domain and would like to request a refund. Make sure to provide details such as your domain name, date of purchase, reason for cancellation. If your request falls within the refund policy window, the support team will process your refund. Refunds are usually returned to your original payment method, though processing times may vary depending on your bank or payment provider. To summarize, canceling a domain and getting a refund from Godaddy involves first checking the refund eligibility window, then deleting the domain from the registration settings, and finally, contacting the Help Center to request your refund. Remember, deleting the domain alone is not enough. You must contact support to complete the refund process. And that's how to cancel a domain and get a refund from Godaddy. As long as you act within the refund period and follow the right steps, the process is straightforward. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.